6 amazing benefits of bay leaf. Bay leaves, with their subtle yet aromatic flavor, are more than just a culinary staple. They're a treasure trove of health benefits. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, these glossy leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant compounds that promote overall well-being. Whether you use them fresh, dried, or as an essential oil, bay leaves can offer impressive health benefits, from improving digestion to boosting heart health. Let's uncover 6 remarkable benefits of bay leaf that might inspire you to appreciate this humble herb even more. Number 1. Improves digestion. Bay leaves are renowned for their digestive benefits. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently. This makes bay leaves a natural remedy for indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Sipping on bay leaf tea or adding the leaves to your cooking can ease stomach discomfort and promote a healthier digestive system. Number 2. Supports heart health. Rich in compounds like rutin and caffeic acid, bay leaves help improve heart health. These compounds strengthen the walls of blood vessels and reduce cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Including bay leaves in your diet can support a healthier cardiovascular system over time. Number 3. Boosts immunity. Bay leaves are packed with vitamins A and C, along with antioxidants that help boost the immune system. These nutrients protect the body against infections by combating free radicals and supporting the production of white blood cells. A simple bay leaf infusion can serve as a natural immune booster during cold and flu season. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. The essential oils in bay leaves contain anti-inflammatory compounds like eugenol, which can help reduce swelling and pain in the body. Bay leaves are particularly beneficial for managing conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Applying bay leaf oil topically or incorporating the leaves into your meals can provide relief from chronic inflammation. Number 5. Enhances respiratory health. Bay leaves' natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make them a great remedy for respiratory issues. When boiled in water, bay leaves release soothing vapors that can help relieve congestion, coughs, and sinus pressure. This makes them an excellent choice for managing seasonal allergies or colds. Number 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Research suggests that bay leaves may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin function. Consuming bay leaves as part of a balanced diet can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Their ability to stabilize glucose levels adds to their impressive health benefits. Bonus: a culinary enhancer. Bay leaves are a chef's secret weapon for adding depth and complexity to dishes. When simmered in soups, stews, sauces, or rice, they release a subtle, aromatic flavor that elevates the entire recipe. Unlike overpowering spices, bay leaves enhance other ingredients without dominating the dish. A single bay leaf can transform simple broths or beans into rich, flavorful meals. Just remember to remove the leaves before serving for the perfect finishing touch to your culinary creations. Thanks for exploring the amazing benefits of bay leaves with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardening and culinary enthusiasts. Do you know any other incredible benefits of bay leaves? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And for even more natural remedies and plant power, check out this video on 9 health benefits of turmeric. Discover how this golden spice can boost your health. Until next time, life is better when you garden.